This dish is called Lamb Borrego, and it is a dish made of shredded lamb on a griddle with onions, serrano peppers, and cilantro. Let me show you how to make this delicious Lamb Borrego using a roasting pan. You can also make this in a pressure cooker. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Season the lamb with cumin and 15 grams of the nor caldo de pollo. Sear the lamb in a roasting pan until brown. Mix the water and the remaining nor caldo de pollo together. Deglaze the roasting pan with the nor caldo mixture and place the lamb in the oven. Braise the lamb for 2.5 hours. Remove the lamb and let cool, then shred, reserving the cooking liquids. On a plancha or griddle, sauté the onions. Stir in the shredded lamb. Stir in the tomatoes and serrano peppers and cook until softened. Pour over a 1/4 cup of the reserved cooking liquids. Add in the cilantro and sauté until wilted and the lamb is warmed through. Serve on a platter with sliced limes and pickled red onion. If needed, drizzle additional reserved cooking liquids to cover the lamb mixture.